every animal responds differently. So you don't want to promote emotional behaviors. Some pets get worse if you pet them because they're getting rewarded for being hyper or anxious. So you have to find some sort of avenue, whether it's homeopathy or walking more, spending more time, getting them engaged mentally, trainers, things like that. So we assess the situation. It could be a diet change. I actually have a veterinarian friend of mine that changed her bed from synthetic latex to an organic material, and the dogs were less anxious. So it can be interesting things like that too.